Hey there everyone, welcome back in Django to do app video tutorial series. In this video we are going to discuss about URLs to access our data in browser. So in last tutorial we created urls.py in our app to do app. I'm not talking about to do app project. Here is another URLs also available. So first of all, from Django.urls import path, and from current views means these views, import to do view, which we created here, to do view. So what I did here, from Django.urls import path, which is predefined, we just import the path and we'll use now we are going to use this path, and then you will understand why I import this path. And from current views means from these views I import to do view, which we created here for template view. Next, URL pattern, and in this URL this URL patterns we have to pass the array. And now we are going to use this path, and in this path first we have to give here the URL name, which will be show in our browser. And here I will give just to do, then our this view name, in our case to do view dot as view, because we are using the class based views. Then the name, this name we can access in our HTML template. When we give this name, automatically this URL will be accessed as a href. You can set to do to-dos, just I'm giving here the name. Save. Now we have to call or attach, or you can say include this URLs in our project. Go to your to-do app, the main project, and inside the URLs, here you can see Django URLs import path. It is also a path, and include also we have to import here, because we are going to include our app URLs. Path, then here I'll pass to do, then include. Here first we have to give the app name, which we pass in our settings. Here to do, so to do dot urls means inside this application access URLs file. Just save, everything is going okay. And next step, we have to access and see what's going on in our browser. If I go 127, you can see here we have two URLs. One is admin, one is to do. Admin is now in next tutorial we'll see and create some data. And if I give pass here to do, first it will access this to do, which is in our urls.py to do application in our project. If I hit enter, now it's giving here again we have here did not match anything here. And inside this app we created to do is hello Django, which we created. Now what's happening here? First, Django access the URLs which in our project, then it's access the URLs which is in our app. In this one I'm going to change this name, it's confusing for us. If I remove this one and go to browser, remove this, now you can see from to do it's by default accessing. Why? Because I pass in my project the URLs to do. When this URL to do URL, I'm going to access my application URLs which is here, and by default the default URL is this one. That's why it's passing the to do view HTML file which we created in our template view here. So now we have here dummy or static hello Django, any text what you write it in your case. In next tutorial we'll create a database and we'll fetch this data. Already we write a code to fetch data here, just we have to show in our template, means the view to do view.html. So that's how this tutorial. See you next one.